to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Nice to see you. So today's video, I'm going to be dyeing some sweatpants and a sweatshirt. I got this idea like 2 o'clock in the morning. I was watching a YouTube video. They basically just got white sweatpants and a white sweatshirt, and then got clothes dye and dyed it, and it was so freaking cute. And I was like, oh my gosh, I like that. So I guess this video is just gonna be the how-to. Y'all coming along with me to Walmart or Target, whichever store has the stuff. I'm going in the middle of all this madness going on, but I was literally going crazy inside my house, like doing absolutely nothing, watching all these YouTube videos, getting all these ideas of what I can do and like projects I can do at home and stuff. And I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna go. Walmart's open. I'm sure they have dye. No one's probably buying out the dye and stuff. So we're gonna see what colors they have, and if they even have white sweatpants and a white sweatshirt. I mean, this is a great time to do all the things that you've been pushing off, because I mean, what else are we doing? We're just chilling in the house doing absolutely nothing. So let's go. I also started sewing, so y'all might see more videos of that once I get better at it. It's a work in progress, but I'm doing it. I also have to stop at the bank. So BRB just came from the ATM, and right next to our ATM is a Starbucks. So I think I'm gonna grab some Starbs before I do some shopping. Wait. Hold up. I am so hurt. Are closed. Wow, Starbucks is really closed. I literally just went to Starbucks yesterday. That is so crazy. So I just arrived to I just arrived to Walmart. It's actually super not packed right now, which is so kind of weird. Like, I'm starting to think like, should I be inside right now? But I mean, I'm already here, so yeah, we're about to go into Walmart and see if they got what I need. I'm having no luck finding sweatpants at all, or sweatshirts. So I'm thinking white leggings and a white t-shirt. So I probably picked up more than what I came in for, but I've settled with this color and this color. I just left Walmart. As you've seen in one of the clips, I found a white pair of leggings and a white tank top because I wasn't able to find sweatshirts or sweatpants. So that's what I'm going to end up dyeing. I bought 2 pairs because I decided to get 2 different colored dyes. I hope it comes out super cute because the way I'm visioning it in my head, it seems super cute. So if this comes out bomb, girl, I'm gonna be so happy and excited. But yeah, I'm about to pull up to my house and going to get this all set up. I will talk to y'all shortly whenever we're getting started on this project. These are like hazard gloves. I hope this one isn't too big, and then this one.
Looking good, girl.
And then I'm gonna iron these patches onto the waistband. Okay, so we're gonna start with a lemon yellow. So since we're not dyeing the entire thing, it's gonna be kind of like a tie-dye effect. This much with color and then like the rest with hot water. Okay, so you're supposed to use like super hot water. So I put some water on the pan to boil. So in the meantime, in between time while that's getting hot, I'm going to just like crumble this all up and wrap rubber bands around it and just prep everything for whenever we start dyeing. Okay, so the water is done boiling. I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of salt. Pink Himalayan salt helps bring out the color more. I'm just gonna fill it up probably to like 1/4 cup, and then fill the rest up with hot water. So the yellow ones are done. We're gonna put these in a plastic bag. Now I'm going to do the next pair. Let it set for a few hours, wash it, and then we'll see the end result. So if y'all have made it this far in the video, thank you. Make sure you like and you subscribe and leave your comments down below. I really appreciate everyone that tuned in and stayed this long. I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye, love y'all.